Hey you guys, it's me James. This afternoon I'm in front of my workplace and have a group of people. They love the people love feather kids, the bird. So today they gathering their bird. Especially I think only parrots. So back behind me have a lot of parrots. So all right, let's see what we have. All right.
The younger one don't get scared.
There's nothing. Hello kitty. And here have Vietnamese. Chào bạn. Hello kitty. Hi. Hello. Kitty kitty. Hey, what's up, man? How are you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Huh? Alright, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Wow. Nice. Yeah, don't see. She's very noisy. Hey, noisy girl. Noisy, 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 noisy. Ooh. You scare me. Hey, what's up? What's up? Ooh.
No, I don't think don't touch them. They will bite.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, touch. Don't touch. Alright, that's all we have. Alright, that's all we have. It's quite sunny now, so they water for them, and it seems they really like it. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.